What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in this video we're gonna learn how to colorize images using Canva for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your Canva, you can go to the website, you can go to the app, up to you. Then choose the design. I would like review the left sidebar of menus. Now you have design, elements, text, brands, uploads, and if you scroll down, you're going to be able to find apps. Click on apps. Into the search field, type Colorize image. Here is the app that we are looking for. Click on it. Open it. Basically, this app do marvels for you. Let me show you one example. Wait while the image has been colorized. I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes. And here is what the app can do. If you like the result, you can add it to the design and the image gonna be present on your uploads. And you can also upload images of your computer, of your camera, of your files. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!